If you lots want to have storage for when GTA 6 comes out, let me show you how you can do that. First of all, we need to unplug it. Let me just make sure all the plugs are unplugged. So we're going to take off the stand right here. Now, you're probably wondering how the heck are we gonna increase the storage. We're gonna plug this in. And it's not hard, watch. So this disk drive right here, we're gonna lay that flat. And then now we're gonna open this super simple, guys. Literally lift this corner up as you can see. Push it back. And it clips open easy peasy, and there's a dusty PS5 for you. Now what we're looking for is this little compartment here. And it comes with the screwdriver we can use to open this bad boy up. Now, that is a long screw for such a small compartment. So once that's opened up, we take that. And the part we're looking for is here. Oh, we got the storage and we're about to plug it in. And by the way, guys, this comes with a 5-year warranty, so you don't have to worry about nothing. This screw needs to move to this side right here. So we're gonna move this to this boom, and then we're just gonna screw this in. And guys, if I can do this with one hand, then you can definitely do this with 2 hands. We're in now that this bad boy is all screwed in. Now what we're gonna do is close it up. Screwing things back right now, and literally that is it. So now we just put it back on, boys and girls, and click it. There we go. And let's give some TLC to the stand. Let's put the stand back on. I'm just gonna screw this back in without a screwdriver. Don't mind me. And the last bit is just to format the SSD card, which we're gonna format, and it's just gonna take a little while. Please don't take too long. I don't think it will. Look at that. That's fast. That's really fast. Okay, that was fast. That literally did that in less than 30 seconds. Yep, turn it off and restart and give me the external storage. Whoa, it just feels like I just got a new PS5. All right, I'm so hyped. M2 SSD. Moment of truth, boom, 2 extra terabytes. Guys, and this is extra. We still got our console storage of whatever console you got. Just take a look at what 1 terabyte. Extension is 125 pounds. This one is literally 2 terabyte. And I almost got it for that same price. No more words. Never lacking storage again. I've linked it for you right down there below.